RGTI down 11.52% in the pre-market session of today, the 13th of May 2025. Because of this decline, you could say it's now having a contraction. I mean, the contraction that usually is expected. You can see the stock traded to the highs of around 11.98, which ultimately is as a result of an expansion that began sometime in early. I mean, as of the 7th of May. So this is even though it looks people are thought it's trending, it's a trending decline, but it is a decline that's now bringing it back into its price channel. You can see that this is the market grid, the same thing. You can see it's now approaching its support zones. The support zones are from 9.91 and the resistance zones are from 10.39. This is its 4 hour chart. So it's right in between those zones. So gradually getting comfortable in the very short term, gradually getting to a comfortable position where it will be sensible to maybe begin to consider picking up positions in the stock. So this is what's going on. That's expansion that began um, on the all the way back in the 9th of 7th of May. You can even go all the way back to early April, 7th of April. But I'll just keep it at just 7th of May. It's contracting that volatility. That's what we're looking at right now. So the 4 hour chart is it's active at the moment. The daily chart is not active as the market hasn't opened yet. So we have here, let's see what the projections are saying. We have 11.70, 12.68, 13.28. No downward projections at play here. And I think that may be because the stock has really done well of late. You can see this is, yeah. You see, 7th of May, it began to blaze through all resistances. This one, uh, 10.59, it failed to sufficiently scale that as of much early in May, a week earlier on. As of the 2nd of May, it couldn't sustain the resistance. That resistance, and 11.43 as well broke through that, and 11.72 broke through that, but retreated. That is what we're looking at right now. So I think the algos are not have not calculated downward projections because it has actually done well. Didn't fail to break to didn't got a support at 9.2. So maybe that's why the algos are not haven't calculated any um, any downward projections. So we're going to apply the extrapolation of the price to just have an idea of what the projections are saying, what the forecast is saying. So we just changed this to 2. Currently, it's extrapolating the 40 period moving average. We want to extrapolate the price. Yeah, okay. So unfortunately, it is projecting lower prices. It's projecting lower prices and maybe a double bottom sometime this week, but it's not. The rebound is not going to be close to where it is right now. So it's an extrapolation with a decent amount of discount from the current levels. So let's have a look at its 3 hour chart and see what's going on there. The 3 hour chart, let's see, it has had a pivot, trying to see if it can move up and maybe print high highs, but extrapolation is still the same as well, not with an obvious double bottom. Let's see what we have. No upper projection. We have a downward projection of 10.24. Yes, it's an upper projection. I think it is. Yeah, it sees a slight upper projection. Yeah, just right around where it is. Let's look at the 2 hour chart and see what's going on. On the 2 hour chart, what do we have? Same downward extrapolation. 10.24 upper projection as well. Um, let's look at 1 hour chart. Yeah, 10.24 as well. But here we have high prices are extrapolated higher than where it's currently trading at right now. It's a 1 hour chart, so within all of those all those other charts, you a 1 hour. Within the 2 hour, 3 hour, and 4 hour charts, you find what will happen. What happens? 1 hour is what happens inside them. So it could be anything. It could be even extrapolating. It could even be projecting really ambitious upper projections. But yes, it's just a small picture within the bigger picture. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at a 10-minute chart and see. Okay, here we have upper projections. You can see what I mean. We have 10.25, 10.35, 10.40, but not high prices. It's more of a consolidation with a bias to downside. So yeah, that's what's going on. RGTI, I think it's the company disclosed its earnings outcomes, just slightly less than what was expected. Yeah, so now down 11.6% in this pre-market session. Uh, we could even try to project. We can try and project. Okay, before we go, this is the daily chart. It's not exactly the best to make use of it since the market is not open. But let's see now. We have upper projections here: 10.69, 11.79, and 12.47. We could try here. We could use the figure here, the data here, and maybe do some upper projections. Even though the algos are saying that lower prices is should be expected. Okay, so we take 10.7 and we take this low of 9.24. So that will give us the difference will be um, yeah, the difference will be what 10.24, so 10.7, and that will give us um, 1.54. That would be the difference. 1.54, 1.54 multiplied by 1.618. We have 2.49. Add that to the current price of 10.22. We have 12.71 for our GTI. 12.71. Let's try again. 1.54 multiplied by 2.618. Add that to the current price of 10.22. We have 24.43. Okay, hold on. Let me be sure I did the right thing. Multiplied by 2.618. We have 14.23. We'll try again. 0.54 multiplied by 3.618. Add that to the current price of 10.22. We have 15.79. Okay, yeah. So those are the projections we have. We may have computed projections previously for our GTI. Let me just quickly scan around and see if I have them anywhere. Maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah. Okay, just see what you make of our GTI. Down 11.52% in this pre-market session. Algos are projecting lower prices on its 4 hour chart, isn't it? Algos are projecting lower prices. Yeah, yeah, for the rest of May and even almost the rest of June as well. So, thank you very much for watching this video.